There are two main functions you can do within the shortlist section. The first is to see your eligibility, whether you can sell an ASIN or not, and you can check this in bulk on Astro. The second is to actually form a purchase order. Let's see how you can send ASINs to a shortlist. In this list, we have 5,458 rows. Let's shorten this down and just filter out some of the undesirable ones. Now we have 23 of the best ASINs. We can either select them one by one and add them to a shortlist, or we can select all 23. I'm going to click on Add to Shortlist. Let's create a new shortlist name. Give it the name Demo. We're creating this. Now that we've created it, we can just simply hit Add. If there are more rows than ASINs in the page, you can simply click Shortlist All Filtered. For example, if there are more than 500 or 1,000, you can click Shortlist All Filtered and they'll all be sent to a shortlist of your choice.